After his decisive win on Tuesday, President-elect Donald Trump will now begin his transition to the White House. But he may be bringing some extra baggage with him. Trump is currently a litigant in a number of private lawsuits across the country, and the cases could distract from his ascent to the presidency. One trial, a class action lawsuit against Trump and his now defunct real estate education venture, Trump University, is set to begin in San Diego later this month. The suit is one of several across the country that claim the operation duped students into paying thousands of dollars on false promises that they would learn the magnate's real estate strategies. The California case grabbed headlines during the presidential race in June, when Trump called the presiding federal judge Gonzalo Curiel biased because of his Mexican heritage and Trump's tough stance on securing the southern U.S. border.
If I didn't have a hostile judge in California, this case would have ended years ago. I believe he happens to be Spanish, which is fine. He's Hispanic, which is fine.
Trump's remarks drew widespread criticism and briefly sidetracked his campaign. Judge Curiel was born in the United States and is of Mexican descent. Other cases making similar allegations against Trump University, including one brought by New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman, remain in the legal pipeline. Trump could also be facing a pair of trials next year in a Washington, D.C. courthouse just blocks from where he'll be living in the White House. The cases involve disputes with two celebrity chefs who canceled plans to open restaurants in Trump's new hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue. The chefs, Jeffrey Zakarian and Jose Andres, cited Trump's inflammatory comments about Mexican immigrants during his campaign as a reason for their withdrawal from the project. Mr. Andres and other litigants currently battling Trump say they are undaunted by the fact that he will soon be president. "We do not view Mr. Trump's electoral victory as material to our lawsuit and plan to continue to pursue it vigorously," said a spokeswoman for Mr. Andres. A Trump spokeswoman declined to comment on the cases and whether Trump's approach to them will change now that he's won the presidency. But being president won't give him a free pass. In 1997, after Paula Jones sued then-President Bill Clinton for sexual harassment, the Supreme Court ruled that a sitting president is not immune to litigation over actions made before taking office. That means even after Trump takes the oath of office in January, he will have to participate in private litigation related to his unofficial acts, and anyone with a suit against him won't have to postpone it during his presidency.